Hey guys, welcome back to Yalan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Buz Me Now app. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So for you to start using the Buz Me Now app here, what we need to do is we first need to basically open up, or in this case, install the actual app. In this case, go and open up Google Play Store here, look for Buz, and basically install it into your mobile device. Now, in this case, you might be wondering, how do you start using the actual app? Well, using the actual app is pretty easy. So, when you first open up the app, you should have the option to enter your mobile number and basically create your account and basically start using the app itself. Now, within the app itself, what you could do here is to basically start adding your friends here. But how does it actually work? Well, the Buz Me app here, or the Buz app, actually allows you to have like a walkie-talkie with you at all times. So for example, if you added a friend here, or if you've added a group or created a group of friend or a group chat in here, you'll be able to basically click on the push to talk button here and start talking with your friends without any interruption. So meaning they could actually contact you anytime. So for example, one friend actually told or said something within this app here, you will be able to hear it immediately. So for you to start using the app itself, you can go and add your friends by clicking on the add friends option here and just click on add friends, or you can even create your group, or if your friend have their own QR code, you can go and click on scan a QR code. Now, alternatively, you can also access your contacts at the top right of your screen here, and you also have the option to do the same thing like add friends, create group, and chat with AI characters. Now, in this case, you go and click on add friends here, and basically send them a QR code, or you could share your link or share this via Instagram itself. Now also, if you have contacts, you should be able to see in the contact section here as an invite. But once you've actually invited them into your account here, you should be able to start conversing with them via the push to talk button here, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan app. Thank you for watching.